In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Attio CRM. We'll start from the Attio homepage, then move into the People section. This is where you can begin building your CRM with your existing contacts or create new ones manually. In this example, we're importing existing customers so you can get your workspace populated quickly. Click Import CSV, then choose the CSV file you want to upload. After selecting your file, click Next. Attio will then ask you to match your attributes. This step is important because it tells the platform which columns in your spreadsheet correspond to fields like name, company, email, or other contact details. Taking a moment here to map things correctly helps keep your data clean and organized right from the start. Once everything looks correct, click Continue, then Continue again, and select Start Import. You may see another confirmation to start the import, so click Start Import once more and wait for the upload to finish. When it's done, your contact database is ready to use. Next, we'll create a list for your sales process. On the List panel, click the plus icon to create a new list. Choose Start from Scratch. This option lets you build your own workflow manually, while the other option is generally better if you want to begin from a pre-built setup. Then choose Deals as the object, rename the list to Sales Pipeline, and click Create List. For the view, choose Kanban. Kanban is ideal for tracking deals visually through different stages, while a table-style view is usually better if you want to scan rows of data more like a spreadsheet. Set the title to New Deals, and set Status as a new status attribute. This gives you a structured way to track how each opportunity is progressing. Now add your pipeline stages: lead, contacted, qualified, proposal, negotiation, won, and finally, lost. These stages represent the journey a deal takes from first contact to final outcome, and they make it much easier to see where every opportunity currently stands. To test the pipeline, add a deal. For this example, choose Installation as the record, then set the status to Proposal Sent. This shows how each deal can be placed directly into the appropriate stage, so your pipeline reflects real activity. Click Add to List to save it. Finally, go to your company profile and open Account Settings. From there, click Data, then choose New Custom Object. Enter Products as the example name, and click Create Object. This is useful when you want to track information beyond the default CRM records and customize Attio around your business. And that's how to set up Attio CRM, from importing contacts to building a sales pipeline and creating a custom object. Subscribe for more.